The 2025 Toyota Tacoma TrailHunter is the first factory-built overlander you can buy straight from your local AutoNation Toyota dealer. Is this truck right for you? We have a complete look right now. Based on the new 4th generation Tacoma midsize truck, the TrailHunter is available with a standard 5-foot or a long 6-foot bed. Both bed configurations come standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder gas engine with an electric motor for a peak output of up to 323 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This is more than just a sticker package. The TrailHunter comes fully loaded for real adventure. It has extensive underbody protection, rock sliders, ARB accessories, a utility bar with removable MOLLE panels, rear locking diff, raised air intake, pre-wired auxiliary switches, dual-color rigid fog lights, a light bar, and exterior lighting all around. The suspension is Old Man Emu 2.5-inch shocks on all corners, with remote reservoirs in the rear. Up front, you even get forged upper control arms. In the composite bed, there's a built-in air compressor to air the tires back up after a day on the trail, and thanks to the hybrid powertrain, there's an AC outlet back here that provides a massive 2,400 watts of power. Most trucks peak out at only 400 watts. For tires, it gets Goodyear Wrangler Territory RTs wrapped around these exclusive 18-inch bronze alloy wheels. On the inside, you get a modern cab wrapped in easy-to-clean synthetic leather with contrast stitching. These seats are comfortable and power adjustable with both heating and cooling. The steering wheel is wrapped as well, and it also has heat. The driver even gets a fully configurable digital gauge cluster. There's also a large 14-inch infotainment touchscreen. This integrates maps, media, vehicle data, and provides an excellent view for the surround view camera system, whether you're trying to find parking or trying to find your way on the trail. With the included towing hitch, you can pull almost 6,000 pounds. Both 7 and 4-pin connectors are included. It even has a brake controller in the cab. On the street, power from the iForce Max hybrid powertrain is fast and plentiful. This may be based on a 4-cylinder turbo, but it feels more like a V8. When the road ends, switching from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive is easy with the electronically controlled transfer case. Is the trail getting rough? Engage that rear locker for total control. Of course, like all premium Toyota off-road ready trucks, the TrailHunter here comes standard with the Multi-Terrain Select traction control system. This optimizes power to all 4 wheels depending on the surface. It also has the advanced crawl control system to help climb up impossible hills or descend down challenging trails. If you want the best overlanding ready midsize truck, or you just want the best looking midsize truck, the all-new Toyota Tacoma TrailHunter is a winner. To learn more, visit your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.